Fane Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods. You know, we're known for our stair installations. As I've said many times, stairs take the most punishment of any part of your house. And so there are 4 things to remember when it comes to stairs. If you have cats, try to avoid having loop construction or a berber on the stairs because cats like to do this. Second, because it's the part of the house that gets the most traffic, take off your shoes. Third, if you're going to vacuum, try to avoid vacuuming with a beater bar if you have woven loop carpet. Tufted loops and cut pile carpet are okay, but with a woven loop carpet, a beater bar might tear the loops. Just like with any other carpet in your house, it's important every year at least to give it a professional cleaning to restore the fiber and the texture and the appearance. Those are some of the things you want to remember when putting carpet on your stairs. Fane, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods.